So this is the train going to Nottingham. So 1:36 is the departure. So I take this train to go to Leicester. So excellent train, EMR Intercity. So, but this is not a first class. This is just economy standard class. Looking excellent. I am sitting here, so with the table. This is Wellingborough. First stop after the Bedford.
Stop from now.
Beautiful countryside.
Obviously, I didn't do that throughout.
I can't actually capture in the phone in the video. So we have to come and see them. That is the real beauty. This is Kettering, Northamptonshire. So this is almost like middle of UK. This is Kettering. So we can see beautiful houses, train station. This is in Northamptonshire. So Northampton is middle of UK. This is Market Harbour stop. Market Harbour. I think this is mustard crop. Mustard and wheat. Looking beautiful, isn't it? Lovely countryside. So we have to enjoy train rides, train journeys, so we can enjoy countryside. This is middle of UK. See the houses, beautiful houses, parking, everything is excellent. No pollution, free air, free oxygen. This is Leicester. I am not getting down, so I got a ticket from Leicester to Nottingham at 2:25 p.m. The same train. I just realized. So I am not getting down. I don't have time. So I have spent like 1.5 hours at my friend's place. So no time to go and visit Leicester City. So I have changed my plan. This is Leicester. It is leaving Leicester at 2:25 p.m. So it will reach Nottingham around 2:57. It is 3 p.m. So without any knowledge, I just got into train, so which I had to take from Leicester to Nottingham. So no need to change the trains. No need to change the places. Loughborough. This is L11. So we used to receive so many letters in the about this. You can see all electrical lines, big, and we can also see thermal power station, thermal or nuclear. I think it looks like thermal. I'm not sure because the shape of the domes exactly look like thermal power station. So this is close to Nottingham. You can see the big domes. So Birmingham, East Midlands all are nearby. See how big they are. Biggest structures. This is a stop for East Midlands Parkway. Means there is an airport in East Midlands. So if anyone wants to go to that airport, they have to get down here. It is called Parkway. Parkway means station close to airport. It is called Parkway. So next is I think Nottingham. This is the train which I took from Bedford to Nottingham. So Bedford it started around 1:36 p.m. So now it is 2:57 p.m. Almost like 1.5 hours. So now I have a train to Derby at 5:07 p.m. So I have almost like 2 hours here. So I just go to Nottingham Stadium and spend some time in the town centre and come back here to catch my next train. Nottingham City Council. So you can see right I have to take to go to Trent Bridge Cricket Ground. So Nottingham Forest Football Stadium. So Notts County Football Stadium. So left side is City Centre and Nottingham Castle. So I'll just take right and go to Trent Bridge cricket ground. So I don't know. I'm not getting. You know, this is not work. This is not working. Google directions are not working. So maybe signal problem. I don't know. So I will wait for 5 minutes and then go. In Leonardo Hotel in Nottingham. I saw is a very big hotel. I just recording it. So maybe this hotel used by football players, cricket players. I'm not sure because 2 football grounds and 1 cricket ground is very close to this place. So I'm going there now. So it is also very close to town center. It's only 1.5-2 kilometers from town center. So train station and town center is very close, and this football and cricket grounds are very close. So I'm just going there. So I just cross pedestrian crossing. You can see Premier in BBC office. So all big hotels or convention centers. So this is the road I have to take. You can see they have clearly indicated cricket stadium symbol. This is one more hotel, the place, and one more hotel. I think after that building, I don't know what is the name of the hotel. So these are tracks, railway tracks. So Nottingham station, which I just came. It is very big building. So I don't know what is it, but it says hiking. Okay, it's established in the year 1873. So it might be a factory, office. I don't know. So this is Notts County Football Club. So I heard that Trent Bridge Cricket Stadium is just adjacent to that. So there are 2 football clubs here. Football stadium and 1 cricket stadium, Trent Bridge. So these are riverside. You can see beautiful buildings. So I think that is a football stadium. And I am going towards Nottingham Trent Bridge cricket ground. So I can see from here those floodlights. So those floodlights belong to cricket stadium. So I am going there. The area is called Trent Bridge. See the buses, excellent. All new buses. So this is at one of the main roads in Nottingham. This is Nottingham Trent Bridge Cricket Stadium. So normally international matches are played here, even test matches, one-day matches. So 2020s all play here. So it is a beautiful stadium in a beautiful city. So we have trams here. So you can see the stadium. Excellent. Looks like these are the main gates. Maybe one of the main gates, if not main gates. See, the road is Pavilion Road. The name of the road is Pavilion. So there are matches between England fixtures, like England matches. India Women's T20 match on 20th of June. So Zimbabwe Men's Test match 22nd to 25th May. So this is Trent Bridge. These are the shops in front of cricket stadium. You can see even McDonald's a bit far from here. So these are east gates. I just check if I can. So I asked security for just 5 minutes permission. So this is the stadium. So one cricket match is going on. I don't know what is that. So this you can see beautiful cricket stadium and people are enjoying it. So you can see floodlights. It looks like proper professional cricket. So I can see Nottinghamshire. Oh, Nottinghamshire match versus Hands. So yeah, it is I think county match. So score is digital. So Nottinghamshire is 30-2 leading by 167 runs. So yeah, I think it is a county match. See the beautiful neighborhood in Nottingham town center, close to town center. So these houses might be very expensive because they are very close to town center, very close to football grounds, cricket ground, train station, busy train station. So it is only 2 hours to London. So and airport, East Midlands airport is very close. Birmingham is very close. So this is a very beautiful town, Nottingham. So it is in Nottinghamshire. So I am visiting one more county today. So and now next I am going to Derby. It is in Derbyshire. So I am coming from Leicester. It is Leicestershire. So it is 3-4 counties I am visiting today, and also Bedfordshire. So where my friend is there is Bedford. So 4 counties in one day is excellent. They all look beautiful. I think there are 55 or 60 counties in UK. So I have visited like 30-35 counties till today. I didn't count. One day I will count it because I have visited Manchester, Birmingham, Aberdeen, Glasgow, Edinburgh. So in the year 2013. So yeah, Yorkshire. I visited Leeds. So I visited Inverness, Brighton to the south, and Chelmsford, Colchester, Clacton. So all beautiful. Like countryside of UK is excellent. So when we go to London, all the places might not be very good, excellent, but at least yeah, some place in central London, like Chelsea, so Mile End, Shepherd's Bush, so all proper central London, like Lords, so near Lords Cricket Stadium, that is St. John's. So all these places are excellent. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.